Good morning, students. We have started first chapter of 8th class crop production and management. In last class we have done up to the crop patterns Kharif and Rabi, and there we have done the difference between the Kharif and Rabi. That Kharif crops that which we are harvesting in the monsoon season September and monsoon season July and June, and this harvesting in the September and October. For example, our rice. Second, we have done about the Rabi. Rabi, what is Rabi? That is the crop which are sown in the winter season. For example, wheat. For example, mustard, pea, gram. These are the example of the Rabi. These are the two type of the patterns of cropping. Now after this one, today we will do the agriculture practices. What is agriculture practices? Agriculture practices is the activity. Which type of the activity? Their activity in which with the particular sequences in which different steps take place during the harvest, during the beginning of the crop. Then from first, which is the step will take place during the agriculture, during the cropping of different type of the crops. Now here we will do, today we will start from this one, agriculture practices. What is agriculture practices? Are the activity in the particular sequence undertaken by the farmer over a period of the time to cultivate a good crop. Then this is the different step, practices is the different step activities that take place from the growing up to the harvesting. That is the agriculture practice. During the agriculture practice there is a different steps. Then first step, which step is take place during the agriculture practice? First is the preparation of the soil. Preparation of the soil. How we will prepare the soil? There is a two. One is the plowing, second is the leveling. Next our then selection of the sowing of the selection and the sowing of the seed. Then we here in this step we will select which type of the seed we will grow for our good crop. Now next our replacement of the nutrients in the soil and the manure. Means after the seeds sowing inside the crop, then we will take which type of the manure we will use for the nutrients in the soil. After this irrigation, then we will check their irrigation. Irrigation means to give water for the crop. Then at which time we will give water. We will provide water for the crop, growth of the cropping. Now next our step, crop protection. Then after this one, then crop will grow. Then we will see, then there is any insect is there, then we will check it. Then we will prepare, take care about that crop. Now next our harvesting. Then we will see that our crop is ready for harvesting or not. Then after this one we will harvest that crop. Now next our storage. Then we will store that what is the proper place, where is the proper place where we will store that crop. Next our in description there is a first topic, our preparation of the soil. Now we will read this one, how we will prepare. This one is the first step of the growing crop. It involves losing and turning of the soil. This one is the first step of growing and there involving losing and turning of the soil. We will prepare our soil for the cropping. Now prepare of the soil involve, there is a following two step. One is the plowing, second is the leveling. Plowing means with the cultivator, that tractor drive one on the sand for the plowing. And leveling is the somewhere is the level of the ground is up, somewhere level of the ground is low. That's why we will check leveling of our soil. Now plowing is the process of losing and turning of the soil is called plowing. With help of the machines, tractor, then we will losing and turning of soil. That is the process is plowing, and we can say tilling. This is done This is done by a plowing which is either drawn by a pair of the bulls or driven by the tractor. This can be done by bulls and can be tractor. In ancient time, this one we are doing with the bulls, but now we can do this one tractor in a less time. Now losing of the soil is important because of the following here. Why we are losing soil? This is the very necessary. Without that losing, there we can't grow crop in good manners. So what is the reason of losing soil? First, loose soil practice have more air spaces that help the root of the crop plant to breathe better. For the breathing of the root of the crop, that is the necessary. First, to breathe better by the crop. Now next, loose soil practices hold more water for the longer duration. For the longer duration, that is the more water required by the soils, so that is the important. This helps the root to absorb more water. If we will lose that soil, then water will be held and more absorbed by the roots. Now next, loose soil help root to penetrate deep through the layer of the soil. This help to fix the plant more firmly. Now next loose soil mixes with manure and fertilizers more easily. This loose soil mixes with manure and fertilizer more easily. Next step, it loose to remove weeds from the field. Means extra material is removed from the field by using this one. Now next, loose soil promote growth of the useful soil microbes. These microbes help to add humus to the soil. These microbes, after this one losing the soil, then this one is the useful for the soil microbes growth. Now next, while turning the soil during the plowing, nutrient rich soil is brought up from the lower level of the soil, so plant can use this nutrient from the plowing. Then soil will get more nutrients from the lower level of the lower. So this is the useful for the plant, that they can get more nutrients. These are the important step that is the necessary, and by plowing by poles and tractors. Next, our leveling. Leveling, what is leveling? After plowing that plowed land, plowing means that losing sand, soil. Then the plowed land is leveled and pressed lightly with help of the wooden plank and iron leveler. Then from this leveler, then we will check level of the ground, that where is the sand is more, where is a less. After checking this level, then we will use their leveler. What is leveler? This leveler is an instrument which is used to check the level of the soil, and a leveler can be driven by the animals by the tractor in the field. Leveling is done for following reason. The leveled field may have big piece of the soil that can be cramps which need to be cursed. Now next, leveling prevents soil erosion. Soil erosion means cutting of the soil. Okay, then after this one, from this leveling, that is the prevent to save from the cutting of the soil from our ground. This leveled soil is now blown by wind and drained by the water. Now next, our leveling also help in the uniform distribution of the water and the manure, that we are giving water and the manure to our soil. That is, leveling is also help to the uniform distribution. These both important things. So this leveling also important for preparation our soil for the cropping. Now next, our MCQ, multiple question. These are the question. This try for first yourself, then we will do tomorrow. Okay, then first question I am telling you, then crop that are sown in the rainy season are called In rainy season, kharif crop, rabi crop, cash crop, none of these. These we have not done. There are only two type of the crop we have done, and there in rainy season which type of the crop we are growing from there. Check these. Then I told you also in last class. Then try to do yourself. Which of the following is not a rabi crop? Which is the not rabi crop? That rabi, wheat, potato, rice, and mustard. This before some time also I told you, so try it. If I otherwise I tell you tomorrow. The process of the losing and turning of the soil is called plowing, leveling, manuring, and none of these. Process name you have to tell by which we are losing and turning of the soil. Next, which one of used to level the plowed land? Then leveler, hoe, plow, and cultivator. Which one instrument is used for the plow? Used to level the plowed land. Now only we have done here. So try to do yourself. Which among these is the plantation crop? From these we have to tell about this one. Then which one is the plantation crop? In starting on first page we have done about the plantation crop. So read again if you don't know. Otherwise try to do yourself. Tea, coffee, rubber, and all of these. Okay, this year homework. Try to do yourself. If there is problem then I will tell you tomorrow. Okay, thank you.